Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make simple and easy sheet pan sausage and veggies. Sausage and veggies is perfect for a weeknight. I toss everything onto a baking sheet, season it with some olive oil and Old Bay seasoning, and bake it in the oven. It's so easy and everyone loves it. So let's get started. Begin by placing 1 pound of sliced sausage onto a baking sheet. For this recipe, I prefer to use kielbasa. It's my son's favorite sausage, and I always have them on hand. I usually buy them from Costco. They sell them in a package of 4 1-pound ropes, and I store it in the freezer and just pop it out for recipes like this. Next, add 1 onion cut into chunks. Also, you can line your baking sheet with foil. It helps for an easier cleanup. Next, add 2 bell peppers, also cut into chunks. You want all your veggies to be around the same size. I actually have 3 bell peppers here, but they're a little smaller and they were sold in a package of 3, and I thought, why not? Next, add 2 to 3 ears of corn on the cob, cut into 1-inch pieces. My son absolutely loves corn on the cob, so I have about 3 ears here. Today I'm using fresh corn, but you can also substitute for frozen. Next, drizzle over some olive oil. And lastly, give everything a generous seasoning of the Old Bay seasoning. This is going to give it lots of really good flavor. We're not going to be adding any more salt to this because the Old Bay seasoning already contains a good amount of sodium. And that's about it for the preparation. I've actually been obsessed with these sheet pan dinners lately just because they're so easy. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and bake for 35 minutes. Here's my little guy jumping around. He loves to watch me cooking in the kitchen. All right, 35 minutes has passed, and look at this. It's simple, easy, and packed with so much flavor. Also, look how pretty and colorful it looks. I like to give everything another drizzle of olive oil, and you could add more Old Bay seasoning if desired. You can serve it as is, but my family really enjoys it over some steamed rice. All right, time to give it a taste. So delicious. That Old Bay seasoning and olive oil really transforms this dish. Be sure to check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.